Hello everyone, I'm Nandana from Indiahikes. I'm part of the experience coordination team. Very often, we get this question from our trekkers about what happens after they register for a trek. Today, I'm here to tell you about what happens from the time you register to the time you actually go on the trek. So after you pay for your trek, you'll get a confirmation email. Now that's just about assuring that you are going on a trek. After your trek is confirmed, we will be sending you a series of emails that will help you prepare for your trek. In this series of emails, we will be sharing how to plan for your travel, what gear to carry for your trek, how can you be safe on the trek, and how to be physically and mentally prepared and fit to be able to do this trek successfully. And of course, how to trek responsibly, how to practice sustainability on your trek. These mails will give you an understanding of what to expect on your trek. So every day you think that, okay, what do I need to do or what am I going to expect on the trek? These emails are going to be your go-to point. They will be your reference kit. So do not miss them and go through them thoroughly. The second point is the WhatsApp group. Now, your experience coordinator will create a WhatsApp group for your entire team. This group is going to be a forum where you participate and engage and share your own experience from your own treks and help each other out so that you are prepared as an entire team. So what I expect from you is this is going to be your team and your trek. And what we have noticed is a team can make or break a trek. And we expect your complete participation in this forum. The third one is pre-trek briefing. A few weeks before your trek, we will arrange a Google Meet with the entire team, which will be facilitated by your experience coordinator. This becomes a platform for you to discuss about any points or any point of concerns that you may have about your upcoming trek. And at the same time, we will take you through the entire trek journey that you are going to experience in the next few weeks. And this forum is mainly there to engage with each other, get to know your fellow trekkers, and also help each other in this entire preparation. So these 3 points are very important aspects that will follow after you register for the trek. Your emails, WhatsApp group, and the pre-trek briefings. If you are participative in all these 3 aspects, if you're thorough with all these 3 aspects, then rest assured you will be prepared for the trek.